Hello, friend. Today we are going to do something really exciting. What if I tell you? You can run AI on an ESP32? Yes, a small microcontroller with Wi Fi and just a microphone and speaker. And the best part? No coding required. In this video, I will show you step by step how to turn your ESP32 into a voice based AI device. Let's get started. To build this AI system, we need ESP32 dev board, INMP441 microphone, Max 98357A audio amplifier, 0.96-inch OLED display, speaker, jumper wires, USB cable, and a breadboard. That's it. Simple hardware. Now let's quickly see the circuit diagram. You can follow the circuit diagram exactly as shown on the display. Even if you are using another variant of ESP32, it will still work. Once you are done, your setup will look like this. Now that the hardware setup is complete, let's move to the second part. We are not writing any code. Instead, we will flash a ready-made AI firmware. You only need to download the folder attached in the description. Once you open that folder, you will see two subfolders. One is ESP32 Flasher Tool, the other one is the firmware. Very simple process. First, connect the USB cable to your ESP32. Now open Device Manager on your computer. Check which COM port your ESP32 is connected to. Yes, this is my port right here. Alright, first, remember this port number. Now open the ESP32 Flasher Tool. Once it opens, select your development board. Here, choose ESP32. After selecting it, the interface will look something like this. Now at bottom section, here, select the same COM port that we saw earlier in Device Manager. Make sure it matches exactly. Before we upload anything, click on Erase and erase the chip first. This step is important because it clears any previously installed firmware and avoids conflicts. Wait until the erase process completes successfully. Don't disconnect the board during this time. Once that is done, now we are ready to upload the firmware. Now click here and select the firmware file from the firmware folder. And here, in the address field, type 0x0. Make sure this checkbox is selected. Alright, everything is ready. Now click on Start. Wait for the flashing process to complete. This may take a little time, so just be patient and don't disconnect the board. Once the flashing is done, press the reset button on your ESP32 and just like that, your ESP32 is now running the AI firmware. Now, if everything worked fine, you should see the display turn on like this. And when the board starts, you should hear a small startup sound from the speaker. If you don't hear anything, please check your wiring connections again, especially the speaker and power lines. Alright, our half work is done. Now we need to configure the board. On the OLED display, you can see the device name. It will show something like Xiaozhi followed by some numbers. Now here's what you need to do. Take your laptop or your mobile phone, open the Wi-Fi settings. You will see a new Wi-Fi network with the same device name shown on the display. Here, we can see it, Xiaozhi. Now connect to this network. Once connected, open your browser. In the address bar, to type 192.168.4.1 and press enter. Now you will see a configuration page like this. This is the setup portal. From here, we need to connect the ESP32 to Wi-Fi. Select your correct Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully. Then click Submit or Connect. Wait for a few seconds. The board will restart automatically. And your device is now connected to the internet. Now, if your device is successfully connected to the internet, you will see a 6-digit PIN scrolling on the display. This PIN is important. Now open your browser. In the address bar, type xiaozhi.me. Once the website opens, click on the console button. If you don't have an account yet, you need to sign up first. In my case, I already have an account, so I'll just log in. After clicking on console, a page will open like this. Now click on Add Device. Here, you need to enter the 6-digit PIN that is scrolling on your ESP32 display. Enter it carefully. Once you're done, confirm it. And just like that, you'll see your device added to the dashboard. Now click on Configure Role. From here, you can fully customize your ESP32 AI chatbot. You'll see some ready-made role templates available. Here, you can assign the name of your assistant. Next, select the language. Then choose the voice you prefer. You can select any voice from the list available here. Now comes the important part, defining the role of your assistant. In this section, you can describe how you want your AI to behave. You can further optimize and refine the role description here. Just make sure to keep the total words within 2000 characters. Below that, you can enable memory so the assistant can remember your previous conversations. And for the LLM, for now, I am selecting Xiaozhi Lite. That's it for now. Click Save. And finally, reset your device.
Hey, tell me something about yourself.
Hi there. I'm Jarvis, a science teacher with over 10 years of experience. I love turning complex ideas into fun, easy to understand stories. Whether it's about the stars, the human body, or how your phone works. I'm always excited to share the wonder of science. What's something you've always wondered about?